Astro Branda from Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see the karmic connectivity, the DNA connectivity of Bharani Nakshatra. If we think about Bharani Nakshatra, immediately we can remember the elephant, the yoni animal of Bharani. Bharani Nakshatra zodiac range starts from 30 degree 0.20 till 26 degree 0.40 in Aries. First four pada, all the four padas falls in Aries. Bharani is ruled by Venus, the lord of original second and seventh house of natural zodiac belt. The deity of Bharani is Yama, the god of death. The symbol of Bharani is the womb, resembles like female or reproductive organ. The quality of Bharani Nakshatra is very fierceful, Ugra Nakshatra. Male elephant denotes Bharani and the bird is crow. The tree is Indian gooseberry. The letter sounds of Bharani Nakshatra is Li, Lu, Le, Lo. What do you remember about elephant? Once if you hear the name elephant, what comes in your mind? It's very big, bulky, and when elephant runs on stampede on the ground shakes. Elephant has an excellent memory. He or she will never forget what right or wrong we did to it. They can even take revenge on us, or they can even hug even after 30 years. So they have excellent memory. Elephant is a family animal. When one dies, they all come to the burial ground because elephants actually know to dig the ground to bury their dead family and relatives on rare occasions. It's pretty much an animal with a human heart. Elephants are very slow walkers. They walk on toes. They are very protective about everyone they know, not just their own young ones. Elephants are also known for their beautiful tusk. A Bharani person is extremely protective of their family and children. They lash out at anyone trying to come after them for any type of reason. Normally they take time to do their task. And in that task, they doesn't like to be disturbed. They do not like to be disturbed. Else they get irritated. Once you do anything wrong to a Bharani native, they will remind you of what you did to them even after 30 years. However close they are, whatever good you do to the Bharani person, they remember what happened in their life even at the age of 8 years. Bharani people will have quite long teeth. Some issues with the teeth, which is karma, due to what is happening with elephant in nature for many years, where people are hurting them for their tusk. The Bharani's fire is fire of destined birth. It's a fire of sexual expression when the fire is at its maximum. The other symbolism of the Bharani is boat. The fire of creation shows a Bharani person is fulfilled by having a child. The devata of this nakshatra is graceful Yama. He is the one who takes you in his cradle on his black buffalo to show the reality of universe versus the illusion where we were living as a physical body. The native is attracted towards death, loves to know what is on the other side of the life. They even go to near death and out of body experiences rarely. Yama is about keeping the order in the universe, following the rules and laws. This can also translate into following a code, whether codes of ethics, code of God, cult or government. Barni natives will have an interest in studying about Egyptian culture and history. This interest comes due to the fact that the bodies in their culture were mummified as they knew after death and rebirth. The native will come and collect their belonging and their body. As Barni is ruled by Yama, the Magha Nakshatra people can always be controlled by Barni. Because Barni, Magha is Pitrus and the Pitrus are controlled by Yama. Sun being the hottest and biggest thing in the sky shows no one can look into his eyes or else they go blind. Barni natives always at some point in the early childhood do not look at their fathers eye to eye. Because Sun is the father of Yama, we all know that. Being the son of Sun, Yama had a great authority which translates into human behavior. Barni native is always about having the authority. They sometimes may not even listen to others because they feel their authority is being questioned. Barni people often get cheated by close and dear ones. They are dedicated towards the born family and to the spouse family because Barni is the nakshatra of the duty and responsibility Aries, which is connected with the 2nd and 7th house of natural zodiac belt. So they are very fond of eating. They are very fond of appearing clean and neat because the 2nd house is appearance. They need financial security very strongly. They need physical sharing and emotional sharing and negotiation in their life. As Barni is ruled by the 7th, the natural zodiac belt, 7th house, Libra Lord, Venus also. Rarely, Barni might also do any things which are against the social norms of society. As being attracted towards wealth or born family or towards society or towards opposite gender, they get easily cheated also. Because it is in Aries, doesn't think before doing any action, before getting into any action. If you try to explain that they are being cheated, they don't understand what's happening in their life. In any horoscope, if the Lagna or the moon or the Lagna lord or if the Atmakaraka planet falls in Barni Nakshatra, they'll be prominently under the control of Barni, which indicates that they have failed to perform the rights, their duties and responsibilities towards the mother also. And Barni, they are really poor person in communication. They don't know the modulation of communication, modulation of conveying the message. They often fail in it. The Barni person should improve the way of communicating things directly to the person to whom they wish to communicate any message. So if any of the above conditions meet in your horoscope, you can have a gigantic elephant with the trunk lifted up, with a huge full tusk, not broken tusk, very prominently uplifted, trunks purely decorated either in brass or in plaster of Paris or in clay somehow, but very prominent gigantic elephant you can purchase and have it on your living room or in your working table or in your office cabin. Keep your teeth in great shape at all times. Always honor your ancestors. Cooking food for them on Amavasya day or on the Tithi, actually when they passed away, when they left this physical world. Cook food and offer the food in the temple or near the mosque or church. And the direction of the elephant statue which you purchase should be kept depending on the planet placed on Bharani Nakshatra. If planet is not placed and if the Lagna or Lagna Lord is placed, if the Lagna is placed in Bharani Nakshatra, you can see the Lord of Lagna and use that direction. Sun indicates east, Moon indicates northwest, Jupiter indicates northeast, Mars indicates south, Venus southeast, Mercury north, Saturn west, Rahu southwest, Ketu northeast. Often try to cook food. Cooking food is also best remedy for Bharani Nakshatra people. See that you don't blindly rely on mother's conditions and you don't ignore your mother also, because you have huge responsibility towards your mother. Never forget it. But the major decision in your life should not be taken by your mother. Keep this in mind always. And the Bharani Nakshatra people often get the name that they are lusty. So watch that character always. Even you can have an Yamadharma statue if available online. And the elephant can be set in that direction which I have said already. Your life changes after visiting the tombs of ancient kings, spiritual leaders, Samadhi, or Egyptian pyramids like structure. Fasting on Navratri festival can be very much powerful. Even native without planets in Bharani can do this fasting to improve their Saturn, as Saturn gets debilitated here. Honoring elderly women is best remedy. Ensuring multiple deadlines to finish up the task will always help you. Honoring the veterans and senior employees. Being patient with employees. Having a regular routine of walking really improves Bharani Nakshatra. Offer food and water outside maximum. And if possible, if you could visit any Yamadharmaraja temple, you can go in the month of Aries, that is between April 14 and May 16. Often watch the videos of elephant. Feed the crows. If you get Yamadharmaraja statue, let it be in the south of the house. Try to eat gooseberry often, and in the month of Aries, that is between April 15 to May 17, try to plant a gooseberry tree and water it and you grow it. Breathing exercise mandatory. Always keep your private part very clean and hygiene. All these things will activate your Barney very positively. And I am attaching I'll post the Barney Nakshatra energy flashcard of Sri Arjun Pai ji also. So you can follow that Bija mantra whenever moon transits on Barney Nakshatra every month, 1 or 8 times at least. And see that anything related to the Barney Nakshatra, you should never harm it. And in that flashcard, you can find the things which are related to Barney Nakshatra. We'll see some other stars in order in the next video. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I hope the video will be useful. And I'm not sure how my slang is, how my language is, because my mother tongue is not English. For past 35 years, I'm just speaking only in Tamil in South India. My second language and teaching was in Hindi. Still, I don't have touch in Hindi for past 8 years. So I lost fluency both in English and Hindi. To try to improve for the sake of public, as you requested in my channel, which is in South India at present. And I humbly ask sorry to the South Indian subscribers also. Don't take it any wrong way that I am doing videos in English. As usually our videos in Tamil will continue in our channel. God bless you all, dear ones. Stay blessed. Astro Brunda from Coimbatore again. Thank you.